Hi, I'm Kim Winston Jackson again, and I'm back with another typewriter. If you saw my other typewriter video, it featured my Brother Opus 889, and I loved that typewriter so much I immediately went looking in search of a replacement for it. However, I didn't find another Brother Opus 889, but what I did was find was a virtual clone of it, which is a Webster XL-747. Which is also made by Brother, and this one is in even more pristine condition than the Brother Opus 889 that I got a week before, and this one actually looked like it hasn't been used at all, and it's basically almost exactly like the Brother Opus. The only thing is, under the hood, if you will, this little piece right here, where in the where the place where the ribbon goes, it's shaped differently than this same piece on the Brother Opus. And also, see if I can zoom in. Over here on the paper release is shaped slightly different than the paper release latch on the Brother Opus, but it has the same function. So these slight differences may be attributed to the fact that they just weren't made in the same years, but for all intents and purposes, it's the same typewriter, and I'm very much happy to have this one. And these are you can find these more readily than the Brother Opus branded ones. I see these come up on various sites all the time. But I just wanted to show that one, and it's basically the same typewriter as the Brother Opus 889, and both of them come in the same kind of case. Let me open it. They come in these it's kind of close, but these blue fabric cases with these handles, and it has a set of stripes on it, silver stripes. And let me see if I can show you the inside of the other case. And this is just the inside of the case. This is where the base of the typewriter sits, and then let me see if I can, and then this is what goes over, the part that goes over the typewriter. Has a little sleeve in it, and that's a little, you can put a pen or a pencil in there, and they zip up. And it's a really small case, so it's very portable. So I just wanted to show that typewriter and the similarities it had to the Brother Opus 889. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.